When you're trying to understand Mailchimp campaign types, it's important to know how each one works to get the best results for your marketing efforts. Today, we'll dive deep into the different campaign types you can use with Mailchimp, so you can make sure you're leveraging the platform to its full potential. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share how you can access a free trial with some exclusive bonuses that will help you get started quickly. Let's get into the first campaign type, regular campaigns. This is the most commonly used type, where you send a standard email to your subscribers. You can choose your audience, customize the design, and send newsletters, promotions, or updates. It's straightforward, and if you're looking to send out regular updates or offers, this is your go-to campaign type. Next thing, automated campaigns. These are a game changer because they let you set up emails that send automatically based on triggers like user actions or certain time-based conditions. For example, you could set up an email that automatically sends when someone subscribes to your list or when they abandon a shopping cart. This saves you time and ensures your audience stays engaged, even when you're not actively emailing them. The third thing to keep in mind is A/B testing campaigns. This type lets you test different versions of your emails to see which one performs best. You can experiment with subject lines, content, or even send times. It's a great way to optimize your campaigns and improve your email marketing results, helping you understand what resonates most with your audience. The fourth campaign type to consider is plaintext campaigns. These are simple, no-frills emails that focus purely on content, without fancy designs or images. They can feel more personal, and in some cases, plaintext emails have a higher open rate because they seem less like marketing messages. If you want to build a more personal connection with your subscribers, this can be an effective approach. Moving on, there's RSS-driven campaigns. If you have a blog or content that gets updated regularly, this is a perfect solution. You can set up Mailchimp to automatically pull in new content from your RSS feed and send it out as an email to your subscribers. It saves you the trouble of manually sending updates each time you post new content, making it easier to keep your audience in the loop. Next up, we have product recommendation campaigns. This one is great if you're running an e-commerce site and want to personalize emails with product recommendations based on what subscribers have viewed or purchased in the past. By tailoring the content to individual preferences, you can boost engagement and increase conversions, making your emails more relevant to your audience. Lastly, transactional emails are an essential campaign type if you're running an online business. These emails are triggered by specific actions such as order confirmations, shipping updates, or account changes. While these emails are often automated, they still play a crucial role in customer experience and can be customized to fit your brand's voice. Remember, each campaign type has its place depending on your goals and the needs of your audience. Experiment with different types, and over time, you'll find what works best for your business. Now, here's the exciting part. If you're looking to get started with Mailchimp and dive deeper into these campaign types, we've got you covered with an exclusive extended free trial through the first link in the description. Don't miss out on the opportunity to test these campaign types yourself with no cost and see how they can take your marketing to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link for your free trial. Happy marketing!